Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hasnayen Zillanee from Group Mango. Today we are going to present you our project data logger system. Now at the first we are showcase you our Proteus circuit. For making this Proteus circuit we are using four components. First one is Arduino Martin, second one is DHT sensor, third one is a virtual terminal, and last one is COM physical interface model. Now we are going to show you how we connect our four components with each other. Here you can see we connected Arduino's pin number 2 or pin number 2 with the data pin of DHT sensor. After connecting that, we connect a power with a power in VDD port of DHT sensor. After that, we attach a 4.7 kilo ohm resistance between data and VDD port. We also add a ground with the ground port of VDD sensor. Furthermore, we connected the Arduino's port number 1 with the RxD port of virtual terminal. We also connect the COM physical interface models port number 3 TXD with RxD. And lastly, we connect our Arduino with COM physical interface model by connecting port number 0 and RxD port of COM physical interface models. Now we have to write a program file for this Arduino, and we have to paste the program file location in this Arduino program file. You can see we already wrote a location here. After that, we are going to show you how we write our program. So here, for this project, we use the HT library, which we added earlier in this Arduino library. At first, we connected Arduino with DHT pin number 2. After that, we select DHT11 type because DHT22 is not supported here. Then we selected the border rate 9600. This is our first, so in this loop you can see this is our first serial print by defining the delay of 500 milliseconds in the loop. Here we save the loop. Here we save the two function H and T, which one is represent the humidity and second one is represent the temperature. And here we use float f to read temperature by passing their argument to ensure that we are reading the temperature. If our program failed and it didn't obey our command, then our program will show failed to read our DHT sensor. But if this kind of problem will won't occur, our program will going to show the temperature and the humidity values. Thank you from me.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nishat Tuba. We have used LabVIEW user interface for our data logger system. Here we have used a thermometer which maximum value is 100. Between gauge and meter we have used the meter one to show the humidity. Also there are two waveform charts to show the temperature and the humidity. And also there are some ports where we have chosen the COM2. Lastly, there is a table to show the outputs, and as our group is consists of 3 members, there are 3 columns for IDs.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Prioti Tonny. Thank you Nishat Tuba for giving me the floor. Now I will tell about our block diagram. Here we can see some components surrounded by while loop. This grey box is mainly our while loop. We have our humidity sensor and our temperature sensor. Then we can see there are some clear box which is mainly clearing the buffer. We have also a tool read component which is our connected array. We stored our ID in this array as we are 3 members, so there are 3 values. This array also connected with this table control. And also this comport is mainly taking information from our ID and sensor. Here we also have error handler which is mainly handle our error. We have also our string constant and array constant. So our array will update after each rotation. Here we use some time delay function, so it take data each and every 500 millisecond. Now here we have our Arduino code. If I run this code, If I run this code, I will get a hex file here. This is our hex file path. So I will copy it and I will paste here, and I will OK. Then here we have a COM port. Here this physical port is COM port 1, which I will not change. And here in this LabVIEW front panel, here we mainly give our COM port 2. The reason is mainly we mainly pair our COM port 1 and COM port 2. So if I run this panel now, we can see there are humidity sensor and our temperature sensor, but we cannot differentiate it. So if we run parallelly with our LabVIEW program, this Proteus, then it will be clear to us. Let's take a little bit time. Here we can see our data is actually updated. Here our temperature and humidity sensor actually the same value which we got from our Proteus and from our LabVIEW program. So this is our project. Thank you everyone.